Hey guys, welcome back. So after the success of the 3 ingredient chocolate cake, a lot of you requested me for an equally easy vanilla cake recipe. So here I have for you the vanilla mug cake. It is super easy to make, requires only 3 ingredients and a microwave. It is so soft and spongy and you can flavor it in so many different ways. So let's get started. First you need vanilla biscuits. I'm using Parle-G, you can use any vanilla biscuit you want. If you have cream biscuits, that's even better. So now I'm going to grind it into a fine powder. This cake is not too sweet, so if you want your cake a little sweeter, you can add some sugar at this stage, about 1 or 2 teaspoons depending on your taste. Now I'm going to add milk. So a lot of you don't have weighing scales at hand, and I'm going to show you how you can judge the amount of milk you need depending on the consistency of the batter. But be sure you add it step by step, only little at a time, so that we can stop whenever required. As you can see, this is very thick according to a cake batter, so I'm going to add a little more milk to it and I'm going to mix it well. I'm using a spatula to mix these ingredients so that I don't overmix the batter, otherwise the cake results in a really dense texture. So you gently fold in the milk until it is lump free. You can see it looks a little thinner, but it still requires some more. We need a ribbon consistency. I'll show you how that looks in a minute. But for those of you who have a measuring cup or jar, 150 grams is equal to 150 ml, so you can measure your milk in that. Make sure you don't add too much of milk. This consistency is what you need for a perfectly smooth and soft cake. Now I'm adding the final ingredient, which is half teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to mix it well until it's nice and smooth. This is the consistency we want. It's called ribbon stage. So when you lift up the batter with the spoon, it should mix with the remaining batter, but it should take a few seconds for that. Now I'm going to divide it equally into 3 microwave safe mugs. I'm going to add some roasted almonds to one. You can add any toppings you want. You can even flavor your cakes with some Nutella, peanut butter, coffee, or you can even make a chocolate cake by adding some cocoa powder to it. I'm going to top it with some more almonds because the more the better. The next one I'm going to top with some choco chips. You can also add 1 or 2 pieces of your favorite chocolate into the center to make it a choco lava cake. For the final one, I'm using some tutti frutti. You can use any topping you want, you can use any flavor you want. To make this cake, you can use any biscuits that are available with you, grind them and add a little milk and baking powder and you're done. Now put them into the microwave for about 3 minutes. I checked after 2 minutes and they still needed time. So after 3 minutes, when you put in a toothpick, it should come out clean, just like this, and your cakes are ready. So now you know how easily you can make a cake at home in a microwave within only 5 minutes. Now comes my favorite part. I'm going to taste it. I ate the first bite without showing it, so here's the second bite for all of you. Just look at that texture with a perfect crumb. But I'm telling you once again, if you need a sweeter cake, you can either add some sugar or you can use biscuits with cream. I love to top these with some chocolate syrup. You can use chocolate ganache or whipped cream or even ice cream. They taste best when warm, so make sure you eat them instantly. If you tried this recipe, don't forget to tag us. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos and also press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.